Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of Greek cuisine as we explore one of its most iconic snacks, Koulouri. We're not just going to talk about its mouth-watering taste, we're going to uncover some unknown facts. So, make sure you stick around till the end because you won't want to miss what we've got in store for you. Let's begin with the origin story of Koulouri. It's believed to have originated in ancient Greece, dating back to the 5th century BC. Back then, it wasn't called Koulouri, but it was a precursor to the modern version we enjoy today. People in ancient Greece used to make a simple breadstick, similar to Koulouri, using basic ingredients like wheat, water, and a pinch of salt. These breadsticks were not only delicious but also incredibly practical for travelers and soldiers. Now, let's talk about the traditional ingredients that give Koulouri its distinctive flavor. One of the secrets lies in the flour. Many recipes call for a blend of wheat and barley flour, giving it a unique texture and taste. But what truly sets Koulouri apart is its coating of sesame seeds. The traditional method of making Koulouri involves a few simple ingredients and a process that has been passed down through generations in Greece. Here's a step-by-step guide to making traditional Koulouri. All-purpose flour. This forms the base of the Koulouri dough. Dry yeast. About 7 grams. This will help the dough rise. Sugar. To feed the yeast. Salt. For flavor. Warm water. This is used to activate the yeast and form the dough. Olive oil. Adds a hint of richness to the dough. Sesame seeds. For coating the Koulouri. Activate the yeast. In a small bowl, mix the dry yeast and sugar into the warm water. Let it sit for about 10 minutes until it becomes frothy. Prepare the dough. In a large mixing bowl, combine the flour and salt. Create a well in the center of the flour mixture and pour in the activated yeast mixture and olive oil. Slowly start mixing the ingredients together until a dough forms. Knead the dough. Transfer the dough onto a lightly floured surface. Knead the dough for about 10-15 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. This helps develop the gluten, which gives Koulouri its characteristic texture. Allow the dough to rise for about 1 to 1.5 hours or until it has doubled in size. This can vary depending on temperature and humidity. Shape the Koulouri. Once the dough has risen, punch it down to release any trapped air. Divide the dough into smaller pieces, usually about the size of a small orange or lemon, depending on how large you want your Koulouri. Roll each piece into a rope-like shape, about 15-20 inches long, and then form it into a circle, making sure the ends are sealed to prevent it from unraveling during baking. Coat with sesame seeds. Spread a layer of sesame seeds on a plate or tray. Take each shaped Koulouri and gently press it into the sesame seeds, coating both sides generously. Bake. Preheat your oven to about 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the sesame-coated Koulouri on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake for approximately 20-25 minutes or until they turn golden brown and have a slightly crisp exterior. Cool and enjoy. Allow the freshly baked Koulouri to cool on a wire rack before enjoying them. They are best when eaten fresh but can also be stored in an airtight container for a few days. Optional variation. If you want a savory twist, you can add a sprinkle of coarse sea salt on top of the sesame seeds before baking. This gives the Koulouri a delightful salty crunch. And there you have it. Successfully made traditional Koulouri using a method that's been cherished in Greece for generations. Enjoy this delicious snack that's not only tasty but also rich in history and culture. Did you know that sesame seeds have been cultivated in the Mediterranean region for thousands of years? The nutty, earthy flavor of sesame seeds enhances the taste of Koulouri and adds a satisfying crunch. Koulouri isn't just a tasty snack, it also carries cultural and symbolic significance. In Greece, it's often associated with unity and togetherness. During festivals and celebrations, Koulouri is shared among friends and family, symbolizing the bonds that bring people together. In fact, Koulouri is also a popular snack during weddings, symbolizing the hope for a sweet and harmonious marriage. While the classic version is popular in Athens and other parts of Greece, different regions have put their own spin on this snack. Koulouri has become a staple street food not only in Greece but also in many other countries. Food enthusiasts worldwide have embraced this delicious treat, leading to modern adaptations. Today, you can find Koulouri with a variety of toppings like cheese, chocolate, or even avocado. Before we wrap up, let's share a couple of facts about Koulouri that you might not know. Did you know that Koulouri is often used as a quick breakfast option in Greece, especially in busy urban areas? Now, here's an interesting twist. Koulouri isn't just a delicious snack, it also boasts some superfood qualities. The sesame seeds that coat Koulouri are packed with nutrients. They are a rich source of essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, and iron, making Koulouri not only tasty but also nutritious. Koulouri's appeal isn't limited to the culinary world. It has made its way into literature too. These festivals feature Koulouri baking competitions, music, dance, and, of course, lots of delicious Koulouri to enjoy. And that, my friends, wraps up our journey through the unknown facts about Koulouri. If you've enjoyed learning about Koulouri and its fascinating history, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your food-loving friends, and subscribe to our channel for more intriguing culinary adventures. Thanks for joining us today, and remember, the world of food is a vast and flavorful place, so keep exploring.